Another mystery box. This is a mystery swag pack from CountyComm. I got an email from them around Black Friday of 2023, and this is called the Mega Big Daddy VIP Mystery Swag Bag. Let's take a look at it. This is the website right here. CountyComm sells some kind of neat little trinkets, some stuff for like camping, maybe some survivalist tools and whatnot. They sell a bunch of titanium stuff, which is a lot of times kind of neat. Some cool like watches, cool receiver radios, sideband receiver radios for preppers and whatnot, that kind of thing. You can kind of see some of it right there. Lots of stuff, not much glow time. So anyway, so I got this email from them, and I'm like, okay, $98 is what I paid for this. One-time purchase. I didn't do the subscribe and save because apparently they do this. I don't know if it's a monthly thing. This says January, so I assume it's monthly, but it says Gen 25. And I got this in the mail just like yesterday. I opened it up, and I didn't know what it was. Actually, no, I got this in the mail this morning. I opened it up. I didn't know what it was. And I'm like, oh, that's CountyComm. That's CountyComm, so I need to open that on camera. So I opened a couple things, and I put them back in the bag, but emergency whistle. It's got a little clip on it right there. You can clip it on your shirt. There you go, like that. Or maybe your pack or your backpack strap or something like that. So that's that right there. This right here I saw earlier. I think this is just like a cheapy old watch. I say that. It may not be that cheapy. Throw down watch instruction manual. Throw down watch instruction, okay. It doesn't look like a very high quality watch. It's plastic on the outside. Probably good for like something to keep as a backup in your backpack or something like that. So, okay, that's kind of, I don't know what a throwdown watch is, but all right. So there's a lot of stuff in here. This was cool. This is kind of like a metal compass. Very small. You can put that on a keychain or on a sun visor, or attach it on a small clip like a key ring and attach it to your backpack or whatever. This is the CountyComm logo right there. Let's see what else is in here. Right there. Oh, that's a patch. It's got a, okay, cool. That's a PVC patch. Sweet. I'll put that in the truck. This is, what were these? I think this is another really small compass. That little thing right in there is a compass. And they got two of those, so really small compass you could keep in your pocket or something like that as a backup, spare or whatever. A lot more stuff in here. There's a glow-in-the-dark, like a Kubotan right there that has a hole in the side of it. You put it on a key ring or something. That's cool. This is a small bag. They do have radios on this website, and I actually picked one up a while ago, and I keep it in one of my packs. I never did a video about it. That's not why I got it, but you can find those. They're called a GP5 or a GP7. Little bag there for keep all your stuff in. Might put all my stuff in there in a minute. This looks like a chess piece. I don't know what that is. It's got the CountyComm logo on this end of it. I'm not sure what that is. That's weird. I think they do make chess sets, actually. It's an airtight bag. Looks like some sort of strap or something. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to open that later. All right, a key ring. High-vis key ring right there with their logo on it. That's cool. Lots more stuff in here. Looks like a test tube beaker. I think that's hard plastic. You know what you could do? You could put whiskey in there. Assuming that lid is leak-proof, you could put whiskey in there. So that might be the most important thing in your pack. Another bag. This might be cool. Oh, okay. This is a little wedge here. Small wedge tool in the screen there. Claw on one end for like prying up nails and staples and whatnot, and a little loop thing in there. That could go on your... This is one of their titanium tools right here. So that's kind of neat. That's kind of a molly pack right there. It's like a toiletries bag or something like that. It's kind of what it looks like. You put a patch right there. You put the patch that I just got right there. Yeah, it looks like a toiletries bag, like a travel bag for toiletries and whatnot. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of made of this neoprene material. It's very waterproof feeling neoprene material. So that's good. Thank you for your support. 10% off promo code. Oh, that's a little... Looks like an X-Acto knife blade. Or a few of them, like 3 of them in there, it looks like. This might be... Yeah, this is probably like there we go. Little knife. Little X-Acto knife for keeping in your pack and cutting small objects. Those X-Acto knives can get really sharp. And these are replacement blades for it. So that's kind of cool. Okay. Shrink wrapped again. Looks like some sort of bag or pack or something. All right. Nice. Okay. Some sort of waterproof. Yeah, this the waterproof zipper right here, you can tell. Waterproof pack for stuff. I don't know, whatever you want, I guess. Maybe the size of a double insulated water bottle. Something like that. Little pack there. Definitely waterproof, water resistant at least. Waterproof zipper seal there, so you could put something in there like, heck, you could put like food or drinks or something in there and stick this whole thing in your fridge or your cooler. Like there, I've got a 12-volt fridge with me pretty much over where I drive. I keep one in the truck, so I could put some foodstuffs in there, I guess. All right, this is, titanium cage. That is probably for medicine. That's probably a pill box. So you put like Tylenol, or if you're on medication of whatever kind. Everywhere I go, I carry Tylenol and Benadryl with me. Everywhere I go. It's in my EDC pack. It's in my overnight bag. It's in a couple of my deer lease bags. I carry it with me everywhere I go because I've been in situations before. I don't get headaches very much at all. These O-rings here are going to make it watertight, I guess. I don't get headaches very much at all, but when I do, pretty much the only thing that kills them is Tylenol. I know that Benadryl is supposed to work better. It does not work on me because I'm weird, so I carry Tylenol with me. And when I get really bad allergies, especially if I'm out at the deer lease and the pollen's starting to change, season's starting to change, something like that, Benadryl, I'll usually take 1 or 2 Benadryl and go to bed, and the next morning I'll be okay. So I have those with me. So that's what that could be used for, is carrying medication around with you. This right here, that looks like a little loop. You could put that on a zipper, on a bag or something, to glow-in-the-dark tag so you could see it easier at nighttime. Little pair of medical scissors right there. Not very big. Doesn't look like they're very heavy-duty, but those are there. And then 2 stickers. Products Group, Meritac CountyComm Government Products Group. And then Grim Reaper there. That's kind of neat. Always like stickers and patches. And then this guy here, these are cool to keep on your dresser. And this is... I forget what I think there's a proper name for these. And a lot of guys keep them in their bags and take them when they go out of town or something. But you put this on your dresser and you empty the contents of your pockets into it at night so that you don't lose anything. So that, you throw some change in it and it doesn't go rolling across the dresser or across the nightstand or something. So it's easy to see, obviously. And it's like this rubberized material, so stuff doesn't slide around on it very much. Cage 5VKB6, it says that on there right there. I don't know what that means. Maybe that's a model number. Some cool stuff in here. I bet these bags by themselves are probably $30 a pop, just because of how well made they seem to be. I bet this right here is another $30. This pill box or whatever it's called, that's titanium, so that's probably expensive. You got a whiskey flask right there. Nothing wrong with a whiskey flask. So a lot of other things right there. Cheap watch, but a good backup watch, I guess. Another sticker. That patch right there is probably $5 or $10 by itself. So pretty cool run from CountyComm there. Just for their, I shared their website a minute ago, so there it is right there. They also have, if you go back here, you can go up and get this guy right here, which is sold out. Ouch. Limitless Ultimate Mystery Prototype Grab Box Next Gen, $249. But look at that. That is freaking cool. Like some big stuff in there. Big patch. Some flashlights and whatnot. Ferrite strikers, lighters and whatnot. Maybe another watch, something like that in there. Cool stuff. Also, 1 out of 20 will be worth over $1,000. There will be 3 different variants of this proto pack. Not all kits will be the same. Limit 1 per customer. And they're already sold out of them. So there you go. Let me know in the comments below who has shopped at CountyComm before. I found them a while back. I've mentioned them on my shopping video a few times. I don't talk about them every week. But so far, this stuff seems pretty cool. Glad I got this. And I always like doing mystery box videos, unboxing the mystery box videos here on the channel. So tell me what you think. Put your comments below. Thanks for watching.